Well, for Smart Stock Edge, today we have Ajanta Pharma. I think this is a stock which has been undergoing a bit of a reaction for some time, making people feel that the best may be over. But if you take a look at the chart as I have shown here, this is a long-term monthly chart, you will find that Ajanta Pharma has been one of the biggest wealth builders in the pharma space. Back in about 2009, the stock was at a lowly 6 rupees. And from there, it climbed all the way till about 2,100 rupees. That's a humongous rise, among the best in the entire pharma space. Now, from the top over the last about year or two, from about 2016 top, it has dropped down about 57%. Now, that's a sizable erosion from the top, making for a decent size correction. Furthermore, if you look at the chart there on the extreme corner of it, you will find that the pattern of decline is quite orderly and in the form of three corrective waves, which is typically how a pattern, a corrective pattern plays out. Now, two more things are visible on this particular chart. One is volatility divergence. You can see on the chart I have overlaid something known as a Bollinger Band, which is a volatility band, and there is a volatility set of divergence which is seen at the bottom, which is typically what you find when corrective patterns are about to end. This is also accompanied by a momentum divergence on the monthly charts. The RSI indicator is shown at the bottom. Now, this is the picture on the large term charts, and you can see that there is a 50% retracement in prices also. So, collectively it seems that the stock is at a support zone. Now, let us see how it looks on the daily charts. Now, this is the shorter term chart that we are showing of a more recent price action. Now, a couple of things here. One is the overhead resistance trend line. Now, that is very visible and it is holding down every rally attempt that the stock has been making in the near term or in the near, let's say, the last about 6 months or more. But on the bottom on the RSI indicator, again, you can see three spots marked A, B and C. Now, those price levels corresponding to A, B and C are also marked. This is a clear indication of a dissipation of the price momentum to the downside, indicating that now perhaps the prices are ready to move up. And as you can see at point C, it is ready to take on the overhead resistance trend line. I think it should happen very soon. This should enable the stock to go on to a price target which should be around 1500 to 1600 rupees in the near term.